This thing is flooded so much. So guys, Survivor Boy's here. Oh, Justice League, kind of. Okay, we're with me, Jeramiah, and Micha and me, I guess. So.
Season 1.
No. Season 2, God. No, wait, when it's 2018, that's when it's season 2. No, when it's 2018.
No, it's season 2. What am I talking about?
Everything is flooded over here. Look, even our base that we kind of made. There's like shows growing all over it. Look at the fire. We never even started the fire.
Can we go now?
No, we literally just started.
Look at that hole though.
Yeah,
it looks like a snake hole.
It took a lot to get through here.
What?
Oh.
No, stop.
That's a snake hole.
You're gonna get bit.
By what?
By a snake.
Like, it looks like a
Look
snake
at
hole.
this. We approved.
Kind of.
We saw like last episode, which was like a couple years ago.
No, it was actually a couple months ago.
I don't know.
But
Like 1 month ago.
it's hard.
I
Yeah,
know.
like a month
we
ago.
haven't fed on it.
We can't get out now because like everything is flooded.
No, let's get out.
Look, and if I put my foot here, oh, I can feel. Oh, do you see that? That's my footprint.
YouTubers. We found the lucky feather.
Oh yeah, we did. It's kind of dirty though. Cause Jeremiah kind of got.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, who wants to go to Rock Path?
Let's try to go over there.
Spiky vines.
Oh, yeah, I know everything's spiky. Whew. Yes. Yeah. Daylight. Oh my God. Oh God. Oh God.
Can't even get near the water.
I know. Refilled. Like since the
Remember like a couple episodes ago,
everything was
like
dry. Yeah,
like
we
step
can't
in there.
we can't go in the open field anymore because like not the open field, the sewer, the big sewer, because like because everything's flooded. The path to it is flooded. So yeah, we can't do that, sadly. By the way, guys, leave in the comments if you want another cameraman apart from me doing the video. So if you want me to be the cameraman, then just leave it in the comments. If you want someone else to be cameraman, leave it in the comments too.
My mom's gonna vote for me.
God, yeah, I know.
Maybe not. She might vote for me.
Because
My
you're gonna
God!
drop the camera.
It's not a rock path.
Okay,
The what
that's.
path?
Yes, it's
Go in
a
there.
water path.
Look, it's like at least a foot down.
It's the rock path.
Wait, look, there's still a path over here. Don't be too loud. What are you doing here? I'm gonna do that. Got a rock here, and just gotta. Being a survivor boy. No. God, guys, do you see that?
Now when it just fell into the water.
Going down through there. Is that bubble gum?
Whoa.
What is that pink thing?
Oh, it must be like something.
A worm? What is that? I'm having a hard time figuring out what that is.
Oh, well, let's go.
Look, back then we could just jump through here. Now we can't.
Yeah, I don't know how to swim.
Oh, you don't know how to swim?
Oh, there must be fish.
Sorry if the video looks like pixelated, blurry. It's because the bitrate is like,
Yeah, and
it's high, but like, I mean, the bitrate is tracking everything, and
offline.
don't worry, I didn't learn this like yesterday. I learned it like, I learned what a bitrate was like a year ago.
Oh, you want to see the lucky feather? It's like lucky. It's so huge.
I know.
Like my hand can't even be that big.
I know.
I don't know where it came from, like a hawk or something.
So where are we going?
I could go in the woods again. No. But I hope I don't get my stuff done.
Oh yeah, we're safe in here, I think.
But still, we're just gonna sit there and
Come
not
on.
explore anything.
I know. I'm going.
Come on, Micah.
Oh God. Oh, hold on, I'm gonna stop the video. Guys, the dirt path is flooded. We didn't go in the woods, but the dirt
Dude,
path
what are you doing?
is kind of flooded. Oh gosh, my shoes are dead. Hope I don't drop my phone. Yeah, I know my shoes aren't like living things. They're just fiction. Okay, whatever. I'm not even making sense to myself. We don't know where we're going actually, just walking around.
Maybe we can go to that big lake.
Oh, that big lake, I took a drink out of it.
Oh yeah, remember?
Yeah, and actually didn't kill me.
Did you know? Hold on. When this video ends, I'm gonna like look on the survival manual I have, cause I can't do it right now.
Nobody else
Drank. You're drunk. God.
drank it but me.
Hello.
It goes to another neighborhood.
I know. Oh God. I almost fell into there.
Oh yeah, that was the neighborhood.
My God.
Man,
Look, we can't even go through here because it's like. Look, if we had like something to filter water, then like we could like survive in here. But we don't have that yet. We don't have that kind of technology yet.
Stop going.
We're filming this in the year 1971. Yeah, we started this video in 1971, but now it's 2018. So, just kidding. We started in 2017 and ended it in like 10 minutes, maybe. I don't know. The video's already like 6 minutes.
Well,
Where'd Micah go? Where'd Micah go? He's just going. Goodbye, Micah. What? I just want to be a survivor boy. A survivor boy. Yeah, Micah's like.
This is in our neighborhood, so neighborhood. I've never seen ourselves in school for except for my friend too.
Oh yeah, school started, so you can't like do this as often as we can, as we wanted. But
Yeah, I could have done it, but I had like a 3 week.
when we started our YouTube channel, we did actually kind of have school, but like we were like in 5th grade. Well, I was in 5th grade, so and since I was recording and managing the YouTube channel, I didn't have a lot of homework. So yeah, but now in 6th grade and middle school, I have a crap ton of homework. Jeez. We're going to the heaven, I think. I don't know where we're going. This thing's still running. I don't know what that is for. Hi.
Michael, come on.
Jump. God. So what do you want to do?
oh no. We can do anything.
Oh, I have an idea.
Okay,
Hold on. It's over here. Here, talk. Can you hear him, guys? Oh God, I just ran this first.
Wait, let me try. You go first. You guys.
Okay, yeah, because you're smaller.
Listen to you guys.
Hello. Go, just go over there. Hello. Can you hear me? God. Okay, I'm going. Where was it again? Oh, it's right there. Cool. Can you hear him? Speak. I can hear you. Hello. I can actually hear you. Oh my God. Gosh, I'm gonna drop my phone, guys.
Oh, remember that ant thing?
Here, do you want to go through here, Micah? Okay, guys, we're gonna go to the fun house / aunt's house. That's like all the way over there.
No, that's the ant thing.
We discovered it like 6 months ago. We haven't made a video about it, but we're gonna show you. We have to walk so much. This is the tough thing about being a survivor, but we live in houses, guys. We're all good. I mean, we do live in houses, so you can hear the cars. So, like, I mean, we're not like in the middle of nowhere. Okay, we went to another sewer. Hey guys, that's the fun house. Do you like it? God, no, they're not gonna know where you live. God, I think the farmhouse might be flooded. I'm not sure. I have to see for sure.
a secret. Everybody can see inside.
I know. I'm gonna go through the professional entrance, which is over there. Oh god. I'm gonna go through the. I'm going. Are you coming with me? Okay, fine. God, that's the not fun way. Okay, this is not really.
Wait, there's poison ivy.
Crap, you're right. So we can't enter this, but that's what it looked like. Like, those are the trees. Okay, I think I'm gonna end the episode here because we're not allowed to be here. See you guys, I guess, next month or something, because I don't really upload. Wait, actually no, I'm uploading. I think I might be uploading the guinea pig adventures tomorrow or something. As you're watching this, like tomorrow.
Micha.
Yeah, Enoch has a guinea pig.
I know.
So yeah, so see you guys. Okay, guys, next month or whenever I upload next video. So yeah, see you there. Bye.